OnePlus Nord 3 leaks. Familiar design revealed ahead of launch. The OnePlus Nord 3, an upcoming budget device from OnePlus, has recently been the center of attention due to leaks revealing its design and specifications. Here are the key points surrounding the anticipated OnePlus Nord 3. Evolution from OnePlus Nord 2. The leaked information suggests that OnePlus is building upon the success of its previous budget phone, the OnePlus Nord 2 with the Nord 3. Redefined design. The Nord 3 is expected to feature a cleaner design compared to the Nord 2. Leaked images indicate a panel-less camera array with a combo lens positioned towards the bottom. The rear panel is speculated to be made of glass, although mid-range plastic may still be used. Flat edge and dedicated slider. The phone is rumored to have a flat edge, which adds a distinct touch. It is also expected to come with a dedicated ring/mute slider, a signature feature of OnePlus devices. Display and refresh rate. The Nord 3 is rumored to sport a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2772 into 1240 pixels. Additionally, it may offer a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a visually pleasing experience. Powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset. The device is said to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, indicating robust performance and efficient power consumption. This chipset is anticipated to provide a seamless user experience. Ample RAM and storage. Leaks suggest that the Nord 3 may come with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, offering generous memory and storage options for users. Impressive camera setup. The Nord 3 is expected to be equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. These specifications hint at the device's ability to capture detailed images and wide-angle shots. Superbook Charging. OnePlus devices are known for their fast charging technology, and the Nord 3 is rumored to continue this trend. The device may feature Superbook Charging, enabling quick and convenient charging. OnePlus Nord 3 is said to house an in-display fingerprint and infrared sensor. The smartphone is said to be backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. Resemblance to the Ace 2V. Interestingly, the Nord 3 bears a resemblance to the Ace 2V, a device from OnePlus's Chinese lineup. Both devices share a similar design and internal components, including the same system on a chip. However, the main difference lies in the main camera, with the Ace 2V featuring a 64-megapixel shooter. Targeted European release. While the specific launch date and price for the Nord 3 are not yet known, it is expected to be targeted towards European regions, excluding Germany. OnePlus typically provides regional specific variants of its devices to cater to different markets. Anticipation for official announcement. The leaks and rumors surrounding the OnePlus Nord 3 have generated significant anticipation among smartphone enthusiasts. Many eagerly await the official announcement, which is expected to happen soon, to confirm the device's specifications, features, availability, and pricing. The price of the smartphone remains unclear, though the new Nord 3 could start at Rs 30,000 and go up to Rs 35,000. It is also possible for the Nord 3 to go up to 40,000, since it carries a flagship-grade Dimensity 9000 SoC that also powers the OnePlus Pad tablet.